Today is the second day of National Day holiday. Now I'm heading to the Zhengzhou East Railway Station. First, I have to get to the ticket vendor to buy a ticket. Although there are no new cases in the city, but still there are some measures to contain to prevent the potential outbreak of COVID. So like you have to scan the QR code made by the Health and Hygiene Department, which is used to track your journey and analyze your risk of getting COVID. Also, everyone has to wear mask. This is compulsive. This is must-do thing for everyone. It's kind of beyond my expectation. I didn't expect there could be so many people inside the station. I've ever been here last year in the severe stage of COVID, and at that time there are very few people in the station. So looks like it has gone out of the impact of COVID, of pandemic. It's good news. There are 13 to 15 tracks side by side, so it could allow multiple trains to start together. Maybe it's due to the reason of holiday, but anyway, generally people are many more than last year, not only in the station, but also inside the train cars.
消毒，列车运行期间，请您佩戴口罩，做好自身防护。感谢您。
Here's a tip. It tells in the train all smoking is banned, and if you violate this regulation, you will be fined about from 500 yuan to 2,000 yuan, about $80 to $300. Okay, let's move on.